Suratul Baqarah, the longest surah of the Quran, containing the greatest ayah introducing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the two exclusive verses from right under the throne. This surah is packed with a variety of topics ranging from belief, history, laws and rules, ethics, principles to values. This surah also teaches us management, time management, financial management, stress management, and more. This surah makes us self-aware and emotionally intelligent. It also covers a wide range of issues to do with societal and family laws. This surah has got it all. Let us help you recite the surah, understand the surah, and learn the word-to-word translation by heart. We will also focus on life lessons in every class. The best part of this course is that it makes you translation independent, which means you won't need the translation of the surah after doing this course, and you can directly understand the depths of Allah's words in Arabic. What an achievement, what a treasure. And do you know that the 1/3 of the Quran vocab can be found in Surah Al-Baqarah? So it means the rest of the Quran will become super easy for you to understand as well.
But how do I do this course? I am so busy.
Don't worry, we're offering 4 courses, 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. One of the course will suit your timings.
But I do not understand Urdu.
Don't worry, 2 are in Urdu and 2 are in English. Still not sure? We have planned 2 free live webinars for all of you, one in Urdu and one in English, on Thursday, the 24th of Jan at 7 p.m. New York time, followed by Q&A sessions. See you all there, inshallah.